Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Yep.
In today's video, we're going to talk about our update in, what are we in?
Our micro investments.
Which
23rd?
is 20 something?
24th.
24th of July.
Yep.
2021.
Yes.
In our micro investment across the board throughout, I guess, Spaceship, Raiz, Comsec Pocket, and we also, I think it was last week, we just opened up Spaceship.
Space Universe. Not Universe, the Origin and Earth.
So that's the new
members to the family.
Correct. So
we'll first give you guys update how our micro investments doing, and then talk you through about the other two member.
Okay, cool. So in the beginning, when I first started, I guess tracking this, we're looking at the best performance between the two, between Raiz and Spaceship.
Yep.
Overall, Spaceship win.
Oh well,
yeah. As a whole,
it's different
as a
based
whole.
on the period when the time frame that when you invested. Well, people when they invested the highest of Spaceship, they was like, nah, it's not a good product.
Yeah.
I invested for a week. It's been negative. Should I take out money?
Yeah.
If you're thinking about that, then maybe you should.
This is based on our portfolio, based on our performance as well, from the date that we actually started joining in.
We're not. What's that, financial advisor? So it's just
no,
our
this
personal,
is based on our portfolio.
Yeah, based on our personal experience and our own money.
Yeah,
that's it. We just want to take record our journey, see how it go, and then take accountability.
Correct. So so in terms of Raiz alone,
when we start was last year, February.
Somewhere
just
around
before COVID, something like that.
Yeah, January 15.
Yeah, we were that time. We were in Hong Kong. Someone was freaking out.
That'll be me.
Yeah. Oh, should I take out all the money? Oh no. Oh no, market's going down. I should close the account.
Yep, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. If you're new to micro investing or investing anything at all, especially with untangible product, which is share, there are bound to be days where it goes up, days when it goes down.
And it tends to be when you put money in, it always go down. Okay, just have that mindset.
So
put money in and close your eyes for a week or month.
I'd say about a year. So as a whole, at the current stage, what is it? 27,400. It would be the total amount that that is in the account. However, 23,000.
That's Raiz.
This is on Raiz, yeah. This is on Raiz. So 23,000, well, make it 24,000 is actually invested by us.
Yep.
The return on the market is roughly about just over 3,400. Apparently, as a whole, it's 25% increase, which is pretty good.
Yep.
For us, we look at it. Anything above 10% is, I guess, happy-go-lucky.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we started on the 23rd of somewhere in January 2020. We're gonna keep on doing this as a whole now.
But we decreased our weekly investment. We used to have
I don't know, about 150, like $50 a day. I think it was $100 a day, something like that. So we decreased that by just $10 a day. So as a whole, where is it? There you go. That's where we at. You can take a screenshot and look at it yourself. But performance-wise, look, 25% is quite good as a whole. You can't get that from the bank.
Because you're taking the risk.
There is the risk, on the other hand, that this is going to go to zero.
Yeah.
So be mindful of that. So now back to the next one. The next one, I say Comsec Pocket.
Yeah, okay.
In Comsec Pocket,
this one is the kind of latest one.
Kind of latest, but at the same time, I'm not really active to it because the way we see it is like you have to have a minimum purchase of about $1,000.
They don't really have that restriction. It's our restriction to the account because we just calculating the cost.
Yeah.
When you invest, they're going to charge you brokerage
Yeah, there's a brokerage fee, so you need a big lump sum, and I don't like that because, yeah, we have to save up, let's say, for us anyway, $1,000 and before we can actually purchase this. Whereas
Spaceship, you can just put money in anytime and there's no fee.
Yeah.
Well, pros and cons, but then comes like you've been having all these dividends.
Yeah.
They are purchasing the real ETFs. They are not those fancy micro investment. They are just ETFs in a miniature.
And because it's Commonwealth Bank, it's a lot more, I don't know, big brand name, let's say, because it's in a bank in that aspect. So as a whole, we receive roughly about 15% and 15% return. 13,700 is our account. 1,800 is our return so far. Like I said, the beauty thing is they do pay dividends. But the bad thing is for us anyway, because I think it's like $20 every time you purchase to get into the whichever market that you want to go to.
Okay, the commission fee to pay.
Yeah. So because of that, it's a bit hefty.
Oh well, when you want to go for a big game, it's always like that.
Yeah. So this is us. You probably can't see it. There you go. Oh, sorry. There you go. Voila. Anyway, so that's the Comsec Pocket. And now I don't know if I wanted to put more money in because of that nature of minimum $1,000.
I think the thing we have always debating on is the commission, and if we can put $50, $100 a day in Raiz or Spaceship, the compound interest effect on that it is just extraordinary compared to if we have to save. Okay, put it in the bank, save $1,000 in the bank, and put it in Comsec. Just feel like, I think we still should put some money in, but when do we have money? When we have money,
every time we got money, it's like, it's just laying there in the bank again. Might as well put it on Raiz.
I think soon we should be able to, in a few months' time, when the flow is coming back. Now we're kind of in a drought.
And the fact that our, I guess, in our emergency fund hasn't been topped up.
It's getting there.
It's getting there. It's going pretty slowly.
Well, I'll say maybe in a month we should be okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
And then the next one would be our Spaceship.
Yep.
So in my account at the moment it's $3,000, $3,090 to be exact. But the return on that is about $1,195. 39% return so far for the year.
Yeah, and you stopped putting money in for a long time.
A long time ago. I don't know. Like I don't know how they calculate this. Like the 39% per. Is that in the past 12 months, or is it financial year, or is it as of the beginning of the year? If you guys know, do comment on this video. That'd be muchly appreciated, as I couldn't be bothered finding out. So that's one account. That's my account at the current stage. Now, your account on the other hand?
It's been doing really great. I think it's the highest in my account, like including the capital we're putting in every week. So far my balance of the Spaceship account is $31,000. Including return, $7,000 in there. So there you go, hitting this $31,000 finally. It's been hovering around 30 for a long time.
Yeah, market's been going up and down in the past couple of weeks. That's the way I see it.
That's the peak of I've ever have. And then now I think last time we had a video about opening 2 accounts. Yeah. So we have putting $50 on each. One is Earth and the other is Origin. Origin's not doing great, but it's only a week. So we're having we got weekly plan for Origin $50 a week, Earth $50 a week, and Universe $70 a week.
Now the reason why I increased the $70 a week is because Raiz is $10 a day.
Okay.
So it's $70 a week on Raiz, $70 a week on Spaceship.
Okay. Yep.
Anyway,
but so far it's really impressive for Spaceship Universe, $31,000 and $7,000 is the return since, when did I start? After you, right? February last year.
Yeah, still in the February last year.
Yeah, February last year. End of Feb.
So to compare between the two, the Raiz or Spaceship in our performance in our account anyway, since we started, definitely Spaceship winning by far because we're putting the same dollar figure. So recalculating.
So how much we have? $74,000 in there.
Yeah, 74 grand as a whole.
You can buy a car. No, you cannot.
That's maybe a deposit for a house for some, but for us, we don't.
No, I just reading in news about people having $250,000 as deposit. They still couldn't find a house, and I'm trying to read through what's the purchase price of your house. Close to $2 million, of course. Of course.
So we're looking at, you know what? That's a bit, I guess, the gap between one to the other. For us, hey, 70,000, you can buy a house definitely. Yes. But some people say
you can buy a tiny house. These days, I've been watching all this tiny house stuff. Tiny house.
So, as a whole, on the the Origin as well as what was the other one, Earth.
Yep.
We haven't got a lot of data from that because obviously it's only been a week.
Yep.
But so far in that particular week, how much has it been? On Earth, which one
is Earth? Earth is $1.40.
Yeah, $1.40 return based on $50.
Origin is 12 cents.
So far we're making money in a week. So
I don't know, it's funny. When you don't put too much money, even though it is negative, it's okay. I'm okay to lose that money. Yeah, it went down, the Origin.
Yeah.
It went down but then came back up.
In the Origin alone, it's roughly about $18 return in the past year. So Origin, and then the Earth one is 24%. So like I said, anything above 10% is great, cream on the pie. Obviously, the higher the return, the better it is for you in terms of whatever it is that you want to do with your goal, with your money.
Yeah.
I mean, for us, we're looking at this in the long term. What are we looking at? I don't know, forever until
10 years at least.
Yeah. Well, today at the moment is the start of Olympics, so at least 2 Olympics away.
Okay, when
it's actually in Australia. We're gonna keep on doing it until there's an Olympic in Australia.
And by that time we should be already retired.
Hopefully,
we should get a caravan, go to the Olympic, and watch all the games outside of the stadium. Just look at it, listen, and watch TV in the caravan.
So how's that? That could be our goal.
Yeah. See, our goal is not big, not like going inside. It's just something small.
Yeah, caravan, nothing fancy.
Camper van, not caravan.
Camper van. Anyway.
Caravan is the one you got like the tray at the back. Camper van is the van itself.
So that's off topic.
But then at that time we'll have 2 teenagers.
Yeah.
Teenagers. Anyway.
That's just our 2 cents, guys, on our update on our micro investing, and hopefully this will help you if you're thinking of opening up micro investing or thinking of investing in ETF, let's say.
Yes.
Yeah. So
any kind of investment in investing, like put money in investment, better than doing nothing. Put it in the bank.
Hence why we started only just $50.
Yeah, try it first.
Try it and see if you like it, and see if this is something that would be for you in the near future, and have a plan on how long you're expecting this and what are you trying to achieve at the end of that goal or whatever it is.
Yeah.
For us, we just want to have more passive income, enough to get out. I guess, if we withdraw $1,000 per week, which is about $50,000 a year, let's say, without us working, anything above that, then it's great.
I think this is kind of our goal, $1,000 a week from an investment. From the ETF or micro investment, 1,000, because we still got money from the properties as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 1,000 is enough.
Maybe eBay is another thing, another 1,000. So I mean, the profit from eBay, we are looking at, probably put it on this. That's another way.
Okay.
Opening up more.
We'll see.
We'll see. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, comment, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.